Okay, so we're going to go through the Sumo Deadlift exercise. Now, first step is to obviously assume the stance width. It's going to be slightly outside shoulder width. And what we're looking for basically when we squat down to the bar is to keep a vertical shin angle. From here, we're going to sit our hips back as per the hip hinge movement, just to load the hamstrings and glutes and to get ourselves prepared for the push-off. As we set our hips back, we're slowly going to squat down to the bar, and the key is with the sumo deadlift is to maintain as much tension as we possibly can throughout the course of the exercise. Because we're standing wider, it's inherently going to be a little bit harder to get that force through the ground to lift the bar to get it moving in the first place. So what we want to look at doing is keeping our abs nice and tight and basically going down as the least amounts possible before we get to the bar. As you can see, when I get down there, all I'm doing is simply wrapping my hands around the bar and going pretty much straight into the movement. When we are initiating the lift, we want to make sure that we're keeping our knees out and our chest tall. One of the benefits of the sumo deadlift over the conventional is that we can assume a bit more of an upright trunk, but in doing so, and obviously standing wider, we need to be generating that force with our knees outwards to clear out of the way of the bar and allow that vertical path. You can see as I push through the floor, I'm keeping the bar nice and close to my body, and again, same as the conventional deadlift, as soon as it comes past my knees, there's a forceful hip extension and I'm driving my hips into the bar. The top of the rep should be completely stacked with my shoulders, hips and ankles all on top of one another, my glutes and my abs tight. From the top position, simply sit your hips back, keeping the bar close and slowly lower it down to the ground.